Saseni. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Mi niko poa. Welcome to the second video of this channel. Also, guys, tuko na 45 subscribers. Oh gosh, I'm going to cry. Thank you so much. I know on the other video I looked so nervous. You probably picked up that I was like very nervous, and I was. Even my mom was like, kwa nini unakaa ni kama unashuku chenye unasema? I was like very nervous, but I think sometimes as humans we spend like so much time in our head thinking at it, like is this perfect? Am I doing this okay? How will people receive this? Like no one gives a fuck. Imagine able do what you want to do. Like no one gives a fuck. Like people will watch your video and then hata wewe sasa unaona video yangu, like utaona video yangu and then 5 minutes later ushaanza kufikiria nitakula nini lunch ama nitakula nini supper ama like ule ex wangu alienda wapi or something. I don't know, or something, you know. No one gives a fuck. So do what you want to do. Anyway, so thank you so much for subscribing, for commenting, for engaging. That meant a lot, guys. That's thank you. Gosh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, welcome to the second video. Yeah, so on today's video, one of my followers on TikTok requested that I do DIY 90s themed photo shoot. So that's what I'm doing today, and I also want to do get to know me video on here because I feel like hamnijui and yeah, so I thought ingekuwa fun to like combine me explaining the photo shoots and you guys watching me work and also like telling you about myself or like yeah, whatever. I thought ingekuwa fun. So that's the plan for the day. I'll explain the concept. I'll explain what I'm doing or like my idea for the concept as I talk because I feel like that's easier, yeah, and better and more interactive. Yeah. So yeah, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video and yeah, welcome. I asked ChatGPT to generate for me questions because I got tired of thinking. So I asked ChatGPT to generate for me questions. So I'll be like interviewing myself or something and then yeah. Yeah, so welcome. So the first thing I want to do is to move my machine because I want to create space. Yeah, this thing is so heavy, guys. So I think now I can ask the first question. What's a nickname only your closest friends or family call you? I've only had one nickname my whole life, and that was when I was in high school. Nilikuwa najulikana kama Frasha. Yeah, Frasha was my high school nickname. Sijui kwenye ilitoka, sijui nani alianza kuniita hivyo, sijui. But I think that people started calling me that because it was hard to pronounce my name. So the easier name was Frasha. So yeah, my family doesn't have a nickname for me. Yeah, hawanipendi. So yeah, that's, I think, yeah, that's it. So this thing is so heavy, guys. This thing is so heavy. Let me do this off camera because it's not pretty. So now to the next step. I want to use these discs. Discs. I feel like for a 90s themed photo shoot, these are very on theme. And I know I said that I don't like reusing props, but I don't feel like that anymore because you can use the same tools to tell a different story. Period. Growth. That's growth. I'm learning. So I'm supposed to use double-sided tape, but I don't have double-sided tape, and where I live, siezi ipata. So Google is saying not to use super glue, but I literally don't have a choice. I don't have a choice at all. So I just have to use super glue, but ndatumia kidogo because I feel staki kuchapwa because I don't want the walls to nini. Staki kuharibu walls. Yeah, na staki makelele. So yeah, I'll use kidogo. I hope kidogo is okay. I think I can now ask the other question. Okay. When did you first realize you were passionate about fashion? I think always. I think I've always been a fashion girly. Yeah, because I remember when I was in primary school. I think at that time mzazi wa kila mtu alikuwa anabai uniform kubwa ati ndio mtu asome nayo class 4, class 5, class 6 hadi umaliza nayo class 8. So my mom used to do that. So alikuwa ananinunulia nguo refu, and that time I was tiny. I've always been tiny. I've always been the tiniest person in a classroom. Like I've always been tiny. So that time I was tiny. I was very tiny. So imagine nimevaa kinguo kirefu kinafika huko chini, and like I'm tiny, so like hivi inafanya nikuwe tinier, like 10 times tinier. So that and I hated it. And like your time, like ni time ya adolescence, like niko class 6, class 7, you know, I'm feeling some boys, not feeling some boys, like I'm growing, like, you know, like yeah, I'm having crushes, whatever. So that time I was like, no one is looking at me because I'm wearing dresses that don't fit me, like, you know. And that time too, that period, new period, yeah, girls like wanna grow boobs, whatever. I mean, I didn't have boobs, like I didn't have boobs at all when I was in primary. Like nilikuwa navaa sweater like naka like a little boy, like you know, like yeah. So anyway, so what I used to do is, cause dresses zetu za shule zilikuwa unavaa, it was like a long dress and then ilikuwa na belt. So I used to like naipandisha hivi juu dress yangu hivi. I make sure like it's very neat, like ndo isikae kama like nimepandisha, but like I used to like nipandisha and then I tie tightly kwa nini my belt tightly ndo like isitokane. And then now my dress now is shorter, so now I can now have crushes. So that's what I used to do. And also in high school, I was also like very tiny when I was in high school, especially Form 1. So also Form 1, like unapewa kiskirt kikubwa, like in a drag literally ukitembea, like it's dragging. So what I used to do also, I used to unaona hapa kwa waist, like I used to nakunja hivi once, so inakuwa short. Kama spendi your length, but kama naona bado ni refu, I do it again, like and again until like I get my desired length. So I've always like found ways to, I don't know, to make myself look nice with whatever I had. So yeah, I've always loved fashion, and yeah. To say, I'm sticking the discs up kwa wall. That's why I'm using super glue. Yeah, I forgot to say that. So I guess I can ask the other question. Also, I keep forgetting to add the super glue is kwa hii side, because this is the side, the shiny side is the one that I want to use. I keep on adding the glue on this side badala hii side ingine. So if you see some discs looking this way, it's my mistake. Anyway, the other question, are you a morning or night person? I think I'm a morning person. Wait. Yeah, I think I'm a morning person because I feel like, yeah, I do things better in the morning than at night. You're a morning person. The question is, would you rather have an unlimited budget for designing clothes or travel the world for free to find inspiration? Okay, would you rather have an unlimited budget for designing clothes or travel the world for free? Gosh. I think an unlimited budget, cause if I have an unlimited budget, that means like I have access to a lot of materials, like everything I could ever dream of. But if I travel for free and find your inspiration, like how will I turn your inspiration into something, like how itanisaidiaje kama sina budget ya ku turn your inspiration into work of art, into works of art. Yeah, like I think, yeah, so I think an unlimited budget. Because if also like I have an unlimited budget, that means si pia pesa ya kutravel pia iko hapo. So I can also travel because, yeah, I have all the money in the world. So yeah, definitely the money. So this is the progress so far. I'm a bit stressed because I wanted to also scatter some of these apachini, and I also feel like my wall needs kuongezewa some more, and na nimebaki tu na hizi, so I don't know what to do. Like I don't know what to do. But I feel like itakuwa sawa because I'm also adding some other items to the set. So naona kama itakuwa sawa, but siko sure. But tutaona, si ndio? Yeah, tutaona. I think now we can ask another question. Photoshoot or runway? Photoshoot, I think. Yeah, photoshoot. Cause you have more creative freedom. Like you can pose in as many poses as you want to. You can, yeah, you have more creative freedom. And also runway, who's walking in 12-inch heels? Cause no, it's not me. The other question is, what's the weirdest or funniest thing about you that people don't usually know? I think that I have small feet. I think so, yeah. Yeah, mimi niko na mguu mdogo. Like I wear a size 33, 34, 35 hapo. 33, 34, 35. I have very small feet. And it's very, very, very hard for me to find grown-up shoes, especially heels. Guy, it's so hard. I actually have like one pair of heels, the ones that you see me with. So the reason that you see me with that one pair is because I don't have another pair, and this one pair that I have, hata initoshei vizuri. So yeah, I have very small feet. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, sasa to the next step. Now I want to I want to add some more items to the set, and I need to do this fast because I don't have time. Yeah, I need to hurry up. So I'm adding a TV, an old TV, na my shoe rack here. So here's the shoe rack. I'm not sure if it makes sense or not, but I think it does. I think it does. Yeah, I think I can do like something with it. Shida ni ina move sana, so I don't know what to do. But yeah, I think it makes sense. Now I have to figure out the positioning. Yeah, until I find the one that I like the best. And then I'm also thinking of, should I like add some items hapa ama ikae hivyo plain? Ikae hivi ama niongeze tu vitu like books, tu viatu. I don't know, something to bring it to life. Should I do that or should I just leave it ikiwa hivi? I don't know. Let me think. Guy, I have already done the shoot and nikamaliza. I'm so tired, God. I'm tired. Anyway, tuliachania wapi? Okay, so I added my shoe rack, ndio hii hapa, na hii radio. Kwetu tuko na vitu mingi mzee. My family is very sentimental, so we have a lot of old things. And then pia an old TV here. So I added those items to my sets. And yeah, I love the photo shoot. Yeah, it was nice. Like I had fun. Yeah, it was nice. I only wish the CDs were more, like a bit more, because ningezijaza kwa wall yote. So I feel like I wish I had more CDs. Other than that, yeah, it was a very fun photo shoot. I feel like for a 90s theme photo shoot, like kuna vitu mingi unaweza fanya, like there's a lot of things you can do with a theme like that. So trust, this is not going to be the last 90s themed photo shoot that I'm going to be doing. Anyway, guy, nimechoka na sijakula all day. Imagine sijakula. Anyway, let me answer the last question and then me nimeenda nimechoka. I'll do another I guess I'll do a part 2 get to know me video. My phone inaisha charge. So yeah, I guess nitafanya a part 2 of get to know me because I feel like you can, like, there's a lot of things about me. I'm very interesting. Yeah. So yeah, I'll make another video. Maybe I'll do it when I'm cleaning up or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. So for the last question, biggest lesson you've learned in your creative career? Guy, be patient. Be patient. I'm saying this, I'm the most impatient person ever. But be patient. I'm learning. I'm trying to learn that virtue. Patience is a virtue. So be patient, and also usisikiza watu, like always be yourself. Always be your weird self. Always always be you, usisikiza watu, because people are not that important anyway. Okay, they are, but like usisikiza watu, okay? Any other thing, yeah, believe in yourself so much that it hurts. Like believe in yourself hadi watu around you wanashanga. Usikuwe kama mimi, because me, when I started doing this, I didn't believe in myself at all. Hata nilikuwa naamka na shanga, like na feel too urge ya kufanya photoshoot, and then niko like, why am I doing this? Who is calling me to this? Anyway, yeah, believe in yourself kabisa. Because when you start doing something different, the people around you, hata kama wanakupenda aje, like hawata kuget, you know, because especially if you're doing something no one in your family or no one among your friend group or whatever is doing. But don't let that discourage you, okay? Okay, sweethearts, okay? Yeah, believe in yourself, be patient, and have a backbone. This industry is so it's so wild. It can be very fun, but it can also be very wild. So yeah, have a backbone. Be a bitch sometimes, you know. Yeah, be a bitch sometimes. Yeah, so yeah, have a backbone, be patient. I'm also nikikwambia here advice at a miss. I have not yet I don't implement patience or believing in myself every day, but it's something that I want to learn and start doing. So as I'm giving you this advice, I'm also talking to myself. So yeah, I think that's the advice I can give you. Yeah, be completely 1000% yourself and don't feel bad about it. If people don't like it, fuck them, okay? Fuck them. What do you mean? Sorry. Anyway, so yeah, if people don't believe in yourself, believe in yourself and trust the process and trust that you're amazing and there's no one else like you. Hata kama kuna 1,000 photographers in the world, no one can take a photo of something like you can, you know. Yeah. So yeah, believe in yourself and yeah, love yourself and put yourself first. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it. There's a lot of advice that I have, but sahi, I'm too tired that I can't form nice sentences or nice whatevers. So yeah, I'll give you other advice when I sit down and relax and think. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, this has been fun. I hope you had fun and I hope you enjoyed this video. What else? Yeah, if you have a question, if you have a comment, you can comment. If you have also, guys, also if you also have like a photoshoot theme or concept that you want to see me try, please niambie. Hizo ndizo vitu nataka sasa, eh? Challenge me. Pet challenge nikuonyeshe venye mimi ni mnoma. Anyway, yeah, so if you have a concept that you want to see me try, na sikwe expensive. Remember, I'm a very low budget creative. Buying equipment is very expensive and you're no budget for that right now. So yeah, low budget friendly concepts I can do that. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching my video. I have a lot of cleaning up to do. I don't think I'm gonna do it today because I'm tired, guy. So tired. Na niko na njaa. So yeah, I think yeah, see you on the next one. Bye and have a nice time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about me today. Yeah. Bye. All I'm saying